Hey, how you doing? Austin here. We're going to talk about Saitama. We're actually going to talk about the fact that Saitama has weathered this flash crash, overall crypto market flash crash, very well. Okay, so want to address that and also look at a new exchange that has come out. So let's look at that real quickly. So the new exchange is Stealth EX. So no, it is not some of the big ones that we're waiting on, Coinbase, crypto, Binance, etc. Some of those that we think potentially could be announced. So we're waiting on that information. But it was worth noting, obviously, that we do have a new exchange that is Stealth EX. Okay, so back to Saitama and the fact that it's kind of weathered this really overall flash crash scenario pretty well. Okay, so if you were kind of looking at like what's going on with the overall markets, there's a really great piece of content. I did a video, by the way, earlier. I'll link to it at the end of this video. A link will be right here above my head that goes into why the flash crash happened and all that kind of stuff. And so really, if you haven't seen that video, the heart of it is this quote right here. So the evidence points related to this flash crash with everything going down, etc. The evidence points to this flash crash being yet another derivative induced selling event. Okay, right here. The September flash crash back in September had the same drivers as the sell-off. Leverage was flushed from the system in a violent fashion, which later enabled the market to eventually move higher towards a new all-time high in October. Okay, so what do you get from this? Number one, you get from this, and there's other things that are kind of part of this Delta Omicron variant. It's kind of out there, fear. Yesterday, the tech sector, the Nasdaq, had a massively red bloody day. Not a good day, and I think some of that spilt over. But look, there's no clear reason for the cryptocurrency drop, especially overnight, and it brings us back full circle to this highlighted quote right here, where if you go look at here, look at this. If you go look at the overall market and you look at what's happening here, where everything is down, kind of in the same double digit, 10 to 20+% down, you see that it's kind of this overall market just dump, if you will, and this derivative induced selling scenario absolutely perfectly fits and makes sense. Okay, so where does that leave us with Saitama? That leaves us with, quite frankly, Saitama has weathered this storm really nicely, and you can see the low on Saitama was just was a 5054, and it's already come back significantly and bouncing back towards its 24-hour high. Okay, so that's where it leaves us, and again, I think that Saitama's got some great things in the future, so I think that they are coming. To end, Patreon, links in the description. Check it out. Early buy alerts on new tokens. I can't talk today, on new coins, new tokens. We were early into Phantom. We bought Axie when it was $11. Shiba Inu, Saitama, other ones out there. So let me know if that's of interest to you by clicking on the link below and going and signing up. And by the way, you can join and cancel at any time. And at $20, I try to keep it as cheap as possible. There is an annual option as well. I'll see you. Hey, go make some money. This is a buying opportunity, not investing advice. See you later. Bye.